DJI Phantom 4 Quadcopter Style, Phantom 4, Configuration, Quadcopter Product Description DJI Phantom 4 Quadcopter from the manufacturer Visionary Intelligence Elevated Imagination. The DJI Phantom 4 is the smartest flying camera DJI has ever created. Able to fly intelligently with a tap, automatically create seamless tracking shots, fly intelligently over or around obstacles and much more. Flying has never been this easy or as much fun. Sense and avoid obstacle sensors enable the Phantom 4 to sense and react to its environment. Fly with tap. Simply tap on the screen to fly the Phantom 4 in the direction you want. It will avoid obstacles in its path. Visual tracking. Lock onto your subject and track them as they move. Let Phantom 4 take care of everything. Intelligent flight support systems. A dual satellite positioning system and an enhanced vision positioning system provides the Phantom 4 with a safer, more reliable flight experience both outdoors and indoors. Powerful camera designed for the sky, capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second and slow motion 1080p at 120 frames per second. Creating impressive footage has never been so easy. Active camera stabilization. A 3-axis U-frame camera stabilization system cancels out unwanted camera movements during flight. Extended flight times. Fly with confidence for 28 minutes. Integrated long-range transmission. See what the camera sees in 720p HD from up to 3.1 miles 5 kilometers away with the Phantom 4's integrated HD video downlink. Frame up your shot from far away with perfect precision. Built-in redundancies. A dual compass module and dual inertial measurement unit (IMS) greatly increases reliability. Advanced aerodynamics and stability. Sleek, streamlined aerodynamics help the Phantom 4 slip more smoothly through the air. High-speed flight. Fly at up to 45 miles per hour with satellite and vision positioning support with the new Sport mode on Phantom 4. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.